Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create daily planner on Notion. So let's get started. So here we are in Notion, and then from here to create a daily planner is very simple because we will be using a template right here. But of course, if you want to start from scratch, then you can learn the functions or features of Notion in order for you to create a daily planner. But in this video, I'll be showing you an easier way. So let's go click on templates right here, and then from here we will be going into the personal right here, personal templates, and then from here I'm gonna go for a weekly to-do list. This is what I personally like when I want to create a daily planner. But of course you can also use other templates and depending on which one you like the most. For example, you want to convert the trip planner into a daily planner right here, then you can just do it just like so. But in my case, let's just go for weekly to-do list. So we'll be clicking on get template. And now it's currently loading, and as you can see, this is a weekly one. So what we can do is that we can transform this into time. So let's say this would be 8 right there. You can go for 8 a.m. This is what you would do, and so on right here. So in this way, you would have less effort on what you would need to do in order for you to create a planner. So I think this would be a really great way right there, or PM, just like so. And then yeah, you can just convert all of this. So let's just go for this one, and let me just finish this just like so. You need to incorporate or your time right here in the names right there so that it would be a daily planner instead of a weekly one, just like that. And then now you can just edit all of this depending on what you need on this specific amount of time. So in my case, let's say here at 3 p.m. I want to work out, maybe something like that, then you can just do that right here. Then all you have to do once you're done with that, you can click on check, and now it's now grayed out. And then you can also add something right here at the bottom. So for example, you would want some notes, then you can go for notes right there. You can go for deep note right here. You can do all that, or you can also do this. You can go for call out right there, slash call out, and then you can go here, and then you can just type something right here that you would like to remind yourself for this day or whatsoever. And then you can always add more depending on what you need. You can just go and choose from this wide array of features right here on Notion by just typing slash right there. So that is basically it. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.